Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Grade 1? Good? That's really great. Okay, so welcome to your second lesson of numeracy. In today's class, we will be revising another topic, and the topic of today is days of the week. Okay, so we will revise the days of the week, what is their order, and also what are the starting letters, what comes before and after any day. We will practice this all in today's class. Okay, so tell me, how many days do we have in total? We have 7 days. Very good. Okay, what is your favorite day? Sunday. Well, most of you like the Sunday. Why you like Sunday? Because it is the fun day of the week, right? Well, Saturday is also off, so why don't you like Saturdays? Yes, most of us have a routine that if you have any homework or anything, you will complete that up on Saturday and then you will have a Sunday free, full free, right? So Sunday is the favorite day of everyone. Well, I like Saturdays most because on Saturdays I have this feeling that okay, I have one more holiday of Sunday as well. But when it comes Sunday, so the next day you are again have to do work, you have to do job, etc. So I don't like Sundays more. I like Saturdays more. Okay. So today we will be revising days of the week. So let's start with watching the interesting video about the days of the week. I'm sharing the screen with you. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible or not. Okay, great.
There are 7 days in a week. Let's count them and just see. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4, 5, and 6. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Woohoo! And there are 7 days in a week. Let's count them and just see. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4, 5, and 6. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And there are 7 days in a week. Oopsie! We forgot the best one, which is the 7th day of the week. It's Sunday and it's a treat. Yeah, we all love Sundays. There are 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week.
Okay, so yes, there are 7 days in a week, and Sunday is everybody's favorite. They have discussed about it in the video as well, that 7 is the last day of the week and it is the fun day, everybody's favorite. Okay, so let's start practice writing the name of the days of the week. So you are supposed to tell me that what is the second day of the week. It's Tuesday. Excellent. Okay. Saturday is the dash day of the week. It's 6th day of the week. Very well done. Okay. Tell me, how many names of the days start with the letter of the or the alphabet M? Only one. And what is that? It's Monday. Very good. Okay. How many names of the days of the week start with alphabet S? 2. And what are they? Saturday and Sunday. Very well done. How many names of days of the week start with alphabet F? Only one. And what is that? It's Friday. Very good. Okay. So how many names of the days of the week start with the alphabet T? T. 2. And what are they? Tuesday and Thursday. Very good. Okay. What is the 5th day of the week? It's Friday. Very well done. Okay. So Sunday is the dashed day of the week. It's 7th. Very well done. Okay. Now I want all of you to please open your notebooks, and you are supposed to write the names of days of the week in the correct order, starting from Monday till Sunday. And do check their spellings as well. There should be no spelling mistakes and no. Yes, you're supposed to organize them in a manner. Okay. So hurry up. Start writing. Let me know when you are finished. Yes, all of you are done. Okay, that's really great. So who is going to tell me the spellings of Thursday? Yes, Elise? Thursday, day, Thursday. Very well done. Okay, who is going to tell me the spelling of Saturday? Yes, yes, Vase? Saturday, day, Saturday. Very well done. Okay, who is going to tell me the spellings of Tuesday? Tuesday. Very well done. Okay, so that was all for today. We have revised another topic, that is days of the week. So do practice it at your home as well, and let me know if you have any confusion, any difficulty. We will solve it together. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.